A Japanese song this time. Akin na yung Japanese song. Pag panalo kayo, talo ako, I will wear this lady's dress. But, kung panalo ako kayo ang talo, ikaw ang magtututin. So, galingan mo ha. Galingan mo. There we go. Japanese song. You know the title of the song? Very difficult song. You know? What is the title? Happy birthday in Japanese? Tama! Aba, tama. So you want me to wear this? I can hear you. You want me to wear this? Right now? Aba. Walang patawad tong mga batang ito. Hindi naawa sa magician. Pinapasuot ng bestida. Do you want me to wear this? Right now? You want me? Alright. Okay. Kawawa naman ako.